Good morning students. Today we will study class 3rd chapter number 5th, more on tux paint. Today we will discuss here, we will revising this chapter once again. The first topic is stamp tool, then second is magic tool, and third one is your creating a slideshow. In this chapter you have to study, you have to read only, you have to study only these three topics only. First one is stamp tool, second one is magic tool, and third one is creating a slideshow. First of all, we have to know about what is tux paint. Tux paint is a program used to draw and color on the computer. You have learned about some of the tools in tux paint in class 2nd. Let us learn about the stamp tool, magic tool in detail. Now what we have to do, first of all you have to open a tux paint. Tux paint is the another software of paint, and it is a very creative and very easy to use. First of all you have to open a tux paint. See, I am opening a tux paint here. This is your tux paint. After that it is being opening. Then this is your tux paint. The tux paint has been open here, and you can see there are many pictures I have drawn. Okay, then first of all you have to, what you have to do, tux paint is a program. These all are tools. This is your paint tool, stamp tool, line, shape, text, level, fill, magic, eraser, new, open, print, and quit. We will now use eraser here. See, the all things has been erasing. Okay, all things has been erased here. Okay, this is the eraser tool. Now we will discuss about your, first is your stamp tool. What is a stamp tool? Tux paint has a small picture which we can use as a sticker or stamp. There are stamps of animal, fruit, flower, and various other objects. The stamp tool help us paste these all picture on drawing area. To add a stamp on drawing area, what you have to do, click on new. First of all click on your new tool. Your picture has been this, double clicking on a blank page. Now you have to double click on a blank page. Okay, double clicking on blank page. After that what you have to do, click on a stamp tool. This is your stamp tool, click on it. Okay, your stamp tool has been selected. Now click on the left and right arrow to look for more stamps. You have to click on left or right arrow to click on more stamps. This stamp, after that right click, then click on right arrow. After that this one, see how I am using the stamp tool. I am selecting picture one by one and I am using the stamp tool. This is your stamp tool. Okay, this is your stamp tool you can use. After that, after, what is our next topic? Our next topic is magic tool. The magic tool help us to apply various special effect to a picture. To use magic tool, what you have to do, first of all you have to click on magic tool. You have to click on magic tool, then scroll down to a different view, scroll down to view a different effect. You can use scroll down to view a different effect. See, there are many effect here. You can see there are many effect. Then click or then pick a color. Note that the colors option is not available with it. Okay, pick out any color. This color you have selected, or this one, red, orange, yellow. Suppose we have selected a red one. Then click on a drag on the drawing canvas to draw. Okay, this drag a drawing canvas to draw. Okay, this is the way you can draw here. Drawing, this is your drawing canvas. Okay, this is your drawing canvas. One by one you can draw like this one. Now once more this one. This is your drawing canvas of your tool. After that magic tool. Then what is our next? Our next topic is creating a slideshow. What you have to do, you have to create a slideshow. Take eraser and erase all this. Okay, by using eraser you can erase all this, or you can select, you can go new, then this one. Okay, this one has been selected. After that, what is our next topic is your creating a slideshow. If you want to create a slideshow, then what you have to do, creating a slideshow, you can also create a different scene or of a story using Tux Paint to create the story, the lion and the mouse. You have to what you have to do, create a different scene and save the file separately, then click on open tool, then click on slide button. After that, click, you can also use the you can also use Tux Paint by creating a slideshow. But suppose the story of the story of lion and mouse, the story of rabbit and turtle. Okay, you can also use this type of tool by using a slide. Okay, after that, your chapter number 5th has been completed. I will provide you the worksheet of this chapter. In next class we will discuss our next chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.